Okay, this is Jeff Lambert with No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. We're doing a roof wash and rejuvenation treatment on this roof. We've already completed the gutter cleaning, the roof tune-up, and we've already cleaned off the roof. We're just rinsing right now. You can actually see to the right is where the roof is clean. In the middle is where it's being rinsed off, to the left where it's being rinsed off, but you can definitely see the difference in the color once that black algae has been removed. So we're finishing up here with this rinse off, and then we're going to apply the greener shingle rejuvenation treatment. Let me flip this around. All right, how you doing? Jeff Lambert here. It's I believe it is the 13th. No, that was Friday. So 34, I think 16th, excuse me. So it's the 16th of January, Monday. It's still early, well, early afternoon, late morning. It's a little windy. That's why we're using, we use the backpacks to spray the chemical on there. Let me turn this around. It's a battery operated backpack. We've got 3 of those, really like them a lot. It eliminates a lot of the overspray, so you don't have to worry about it so much. Give you an idea. Okay, then we're going to do the rejuvenation treatment, greener shingle rejuvenator. I don't know why I turned this around to me. Just wanted to show my snazzy goatee I had to shave my beard into. Let me turn it back around. All right, so this has been applied. You can see how black and dirty that is. It seems that when we're doing treatments, it's either an overcast or it's super sunny and you're not able to see certain things. But nonetheless, if you look at his roof next door and then look at this roof next door over here, that's a new roof. This is like a 15-year plus roof. That's an aging roof with the black algae. And again, I'm just going to turn this around. New roof, black algae, really bad black algae over there. So we're going to see what we can do to get all these people taken care of if we can. She says she's very friendly with her neighbors, and while I was here she was talking. This is a same-day service, so she called us out to give her an estimate. I went ahead and did the schematic report before I came out here, had all the information available to her. So as soon as she was explained how the process went, turned around, gave her a price, and told her if she gets it done, she can save some additional money. She decided to do that, so we're rocking and rolling. So we got out here probably about 9:30 and talked to her for a good hour with the inspection of the roof and everything. And then the crew got out here about 11 o'clock. It is going on 1 o'clock right now, just with the prep, the tune-up, and then the wash, and the rejuvenation will go quick. But that's basically it. I'm going to go ahead and let you go. Need to get this trash can available to trash people that are coming because we're blocking. We appreciate you watching. Again, Jeff Lambert, No Mess Roofing and Gutters, Roof Rejuvenation. Save your roof, save your money. Like the video, give us a call, 281-717-0589. Full service roofing and gutter company, roof restoration. Take care.